Hello guys, welcome to Joseph IT Technology Entertainer. Today I'm going to show you how to add image on Microsoft Word background. So go to Word first, choose a blank document, go to Design, and at the right corner go to Page Color and click Fill Effects. Now choose Picture and select Picture. Click from a file and choose the image from your computer. Now click OK. And as you can see, the image is there, and now you can write above it. And now you can also add new page and the image will be added automatically. Now we can again change it by the same process. And finally, if you found this video useful, then please don't forget to like the video, share experience, and if you're the first time in this channel, then please subscribe to Joseph IT. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.